Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. Guys, sometimes we require to schedule some messages. Like for example, we know that 16th November is someone's birthday, but we might forget on that day to send the messages. We can schedule email through Gmail, but today I'm going to share with you how you can schedule messages and your message will send on your scheduled time. This is possible through Google Messages. If you are using Google Messages, so you can use this. Otherwise, you need to download the Google Messages application from the Google Play Store and set it as your default messages application. As I am using the Google Messages, so now I will show you how you can use this. Before starting the video, if you are interested to learn Advanced Excel, join our Advanced Excel Mastery course, which is totally online and certified course, and the next batch will start soon. For more details, check out our website from the about page of our channel. You can also follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp for getting updates. WhatsApp and Telegram channel links are given in the video description below. If you are interested, you can join us as a member. Our membership starts at 29 rupees only. It will help us to grow and it will help you to learn more. So guys, to schedule any messages, first let me open the messaging application.
Messages, 2 or 3 on the dock. Messages.
So guys, after opening the messages, I have already selected one number.
Me. Call button.
So call button is there.
More button.
Okay.
Call more.
More.
RCS chat with me. In list.
Okay. RCS chat with me.
Show attach content screen. Button.
Show
Out of
attach
list.
content screen. See, apart from this, your apart from the offline messages, now if your phone is connected to internet, you can send the attachments. Even many businesses are also using these messages services to send the things. And remember, as this is a good for us, this could be also what I can say risky for us, because we may receive some unknown attachments, etc., etc. So you should always avoid downloading those attachments or clicking on that unknown links, etc., etc. Okay. So now let's see how to do that. I'm swiping from left to right.
RCS message. Edit box.
So let's say here I'm just typing
Showing
something.
English. Capital H. Stop record. I.
Hi. Nothing else. I'm just typing hi. So next see.
Keyboard. Edit. Show attach content screen.
So just
button.
click on show attach content screen.
Hi. Show attach emoji. Send message. Button.
Send message.
Gallery. Button.
Gallery.
GIFs. Button.
GIFs.
Stickers. Button.
Stickers.
Files. Button.
Files.
Location.
Location.
Button. Contacts.
Contacts.
Schedule send. Button.
Schedule send. So from here you can schedule the messages. Okay. But I will show you more quick way. Let me try one more
Selfie GIF. Button.
thing.
Stop recording. Send message. Show it. Send message.
Okay.
Button.
Send message. Just tap and hold this send message button.
Messages.
And now see.
To send, keep phone on and connect to Wi-Fi or data. Schedule send, IST.
Schedule send ISD.
To send, keep phone on and connect to Wi-Fi or data.
So it is saying that to send on time, you need to connect your mobile to the Wi-Fi or data, which means your mobile phone should be connected to internet during the scheduled time. Okay, so I'm swiping from left to right again.
Later today, 5 p.m. In
So
list.
it's saying later today 5 p.m.
Later tonight, 9 p.m.
Later tonight 9 p.m.
Tomorrow, 8 a.m.
Tomorrow.
Select date and time.
Now here you can select the date and time. It will open the general calendar.
Current selection. Current selection. Switch to text input mode. Button.
So if you switch to text input mode, you can type directly.
June 2025. Switch to selecting a year. Change to previous month. Button.
Change to previous month.
Change to next month.
Next
Button.
month. Okay, if you want, you can go for the next month.
Sunday. Monday, Tuesday,
Okay.
Wednesday, Thursday,
So
Friday.
from here you can just choose this and
Not selected.
then
Saturday. Cancel. Next. Button.
just click on next,
Time picker dialog.
and next it is asking for the time.
Selected. Not selected. Select minutes. Selected. Not selected. PM. Not selected. 12 o'clock. Not selected. 1 o'clock. 2 of 12.
12
Back.
o'clock, 1
Button.
o'clock.
Not selected.
Okay.
5 o'clock.
So let's say,
Not selected. Not selected. 6 o'clock. Not selected. 7 o'clock.
so I'm choosing
8
7
selected.
o'clock, and
Not
from the
selected.
above
Select minutes.
I'm
selected.
choosing
AM. Button.
AM.
1 of 2.
Okay, AM and
Not
PM you
selected.
can choose here, and then
Stop recording. 6 minutes. Stop. Set. Back. Set. Button.
click on set button.
Messages.
So it is set already,
Send message.
and
Button.
now if you send it, then it will be scheduled on that time.
Show attach emoji. Hi. Edit box.
Okay.
Show attach. Remove schedule. Button.
You can remove the schedule also.
Tomorrow at 7:51 a.m.
See, it is saying tomorrow at 7:51 a.m.
RCS. Tomorrow at remove schedule.
You can
Button.
remove the schedule also, right? So this is the way you can schedule a message if you are using Google Messages. So guys, that's it for the video. If you find this content useful, please like the video and share the video with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tutorials with screen readers. If you wish, you can visit our website to join our WhatsApp group and participate other events also. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.